Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video, we have learned how we can add CSS file in our HTML or template in Spring Boot. Now we are going to learn in place of CSS, if I want to use Bootstrap, then how I can add this. For that, just go to the internet, Google, and here you see Bootstrap and go to the Bootstrap website. Then we go to the read installation doc, and here we have two way. You can download the file and it's very simple. Just download the file, unzip this and create a Bootstrap folder here and paste your file there. Simple one, you can do yourself, but I'm going to use the internet one link. So this is the link for CDN type. You see, these are the links that we have to use. So this is the script and this is the link for Bootstrap and for JavaScript. So I copy this one and I just copy this and I go to this, and this CSS is there. Just here I paste this. Remember, this one is there, and this particular tag, script tag, I cut this because we have to add this at the bottom of the application. Remember that we have to add this at the end of the body tag. This is the things which we have to use. Similarly, I do there. I go to this in template, I paste this, and I copy this also, link one, copy this, and I paste this also here, the link, and I save this. I save this also, remember, and you know that how to add this. So we have add this link here, Spring Boot, internet should be there. Now I test it. So for testing, I say button, and here in button I say click me like this, and here I say class. Under this class I say btn, you can say danger, or I can say success like this. Same, I copy this button to template also, and here after this I paste it. Here in place of this I say primary. Save this and save this also. Refresh my application and once again go to the internet and remove this, refresh it. You see, I have this, I have button also, and if I go to home like this, I have home page also. Here we have a click me on grid button, and you can add your JavaScript function also, because you know how to add JavaScript, just function. How can you do this? Because I have, for one example I'm giving here, I say on click like this, and here suppose I say alert, and I say here hello by Bootstrap like this. You see, if I do this, save this, once again refresh it and try to see. If I click here, refresh this, if I click here, you see hello by Bootstrap. You see, everything is running under the Spring Boot. You see, so Bootstrap is also working. If you don't want this one, this kind of thing, just download the Bootstrap library and you just create a Bootstrap folder, copy paste your thing under the static and just give the link like this. We have the link and the script, we have src. Just remove this and give the path where you have download these file bundle and Spring Boot main.css, then give the path and automatically it will run from your folder. Otherwise you use this link, everything is okay, and created button using this, everything is working fine. You see, each and everything is okay here. So like this way you can add Bootstrap also in your Spring Boot application. So like this you can create your any kind of Spring Boot application. Remember that the same you can use React also. Just for that you have to use Spring Boot at the back end, and at the front end you can use React also. You can use some other library also, that is the different thing, but you can use with Spring Boot these things also. So if you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.